Hey everybody, Mike here again, AZ Gardener. Today's date is Saturday, November 12th, 2022. I want to do a quick video on a little project I've been working on, and I just got wrapped up. So this is a project I've been wanting to work on for a long time, so I'm finally getting around to doing it. While the weather's nice, I can get outside and do some more outdoor projects. So what this is a watering system for my chickens, and I'll give you a quick rundown of what it looks like so you can kind of see. It's not fully hooked up yet, but I will give you a quick explanation of it. So what it is, it's a 125 gallon storage container, and inside what I've done is installed a float valve, if you can see the little float valve. And on the outside I just got all this PVC and irrigation line hooked up. Excuse my sloppy PVC glue work here, but it'll work. So I used the Christie's hot glue, so you don't have to use primer on that. So I highly recommend that stuff if you don't want to have to mess around with the primer, but it works really well. So basically what this is doing, if you look all the way down right there, this is my half-inch poly drip irrigation line. And so what happens every day when the sprinklers come on, it's going to run up and it is going to run into the flow valve. It's going to go ahead and top this unit off. Now from there, there's a hose here that's going to be connected, and I'm going to run that hose. I'll show you how I'm watering my chicken. I use a system with these little, they call them like drinker nipples, or if you can kind of see them here. So it's going to run to that. So every day this thing is going to get topped off, so I'll know it's always full. And yeah, it's going to be super easy. That'll feed right to them, so I know they'll always have water. Now in the event this thing does get low for some reason, I also added this attachment to make it easy to fill up, so I don't have to mess around with pulling the lid off of this. So in the event that it needs to be topped off, this will be closed. Right now it's actually in the closed position. So normally this will be open and this will be closed. But if you want to top this off manually with a hose, you can be able to shut this off, open this valve up, connect your garden hose here, and then you can just kind of set it and forget it if you forget about it. And I've been bad about that with my other watering setup. Turn the hose on and then I totally forget it's running. So I got water running all over the yard and I'm wasting a ton of water. So this way, this still runs to that float. Once that float hits the water level, the desired water level, it'll automatically shut the float off and it'll kill the water. So anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a quick video, show you kind of what I got going on here. So something I'm wrapping up, so I should have this all done tomorrow. I'm going to let the PVC glue set for a day, and I'll give the system a test tomorrow. So, but all right, we'll see you guys soon. Bye.